Carriaso drives hard. Yes! Carriaso will also go to the line. Jeffrey Carriaso, big shining moment.
Ito na, tumatake si Carriaso. Hipotsira! Foul!
At may foul pa kay Johnny Del Cartel. So big play. Muntik na maging goal itong si Carriaso. Siya pa nakapag-save.
Jeffrey Carriaso with a highlight play.
Here's Carriaso into deep. First 2 points for the Jets.
And a 6-point lead for Buford. Jeffrey Carriaso on the runner off balance. Still getting the basket. The other end, Jeffrey Carriaso doing almost everything for his team.
Flip drop defense ang Tagboy. Oh, yes! 8-1 for the Jets.
Using the left hand against Kenneth Durendes. Sos Mariosep. It's an excellent shot there by Jeffrey Carriaso.
Ito na naman, pagkakataon na naman para sa mga Vets, Jeff Carriaso. Kita mo yung you gotta watch out here. It's already a 7-point lead. Look at the Jets. Right. The lane wide open. Nice reverse layup there by Jeffrey Carriaso. Carriaso currently with 10 points in the game.
Carriaso for the lead. Yes! Ang veteranong walang kakupas-kupa.
A daredevil drive against outstretched arms of the defense of the Barangay Hinebra.
Carriaso to tie. Yes, sir! The Jet, the consummate pro with a consummate big shot, the M3, and we're tied at 82.
You see one of the big men of the opposing teams running the floor that way. His guys haven't even gotten down in defense. As you look at Jeffrey Carriaso's beautiful spin, nice finish. Talk about getting away from your